Basic proportionality theorem, Thales theorem. The theorem is, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. If there is a triangle ABC, then we draw a line parallel to any one side. It is going to intersect at two different points. It is maybe either from the left side, that means AB, or from the right side, that means from AC, or from the bottom. Now we have taken a parallel line. From the bottom, it is divided at two distinct points. They are D and E. Then the theorem says that the ratio between AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Before going to prove this theorem, we are going to recall some pre-class concepts. The first concept is area of the triangle is equal to half into base into height. Let us take a triangle ABC. For this triangle, BC is the base and AD is the height. For this, the area of the triangle is half into BC into AD. If we make AC as the base, again if we calculate the area of this triangle, now the base is CA and the height is BD. Now the area of this triangle is half into CA into BD. That means I am going to make base. Now the area of this triangle is base is AB and height is CD. The area of the triangle is half into AB into CD. Now the second concept is triangles on the same base are equal bases and between the same parallels are equal in area. Let us take a base and a parallel line. I am going to draw a triangle from the base to the parallel line and another triangle to the same base and to the parallel line with two distinct points. Area of these two triangles, area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle BCD. And the third concept is altitude of a triangle is a line segment through a vertex and perpendicular to a line containing the base. That means here we explained about the altitude. For this purpose, I am going to take three types of triangles. The first one is acute angle triangle, and second one is right angle triangle, and third one is obtuse angle triangle. For the acute angle triangle, if you take the height, it is the interior side of the triangle. And for right angle triangle, the height is on the triangle. For obtuse angle triangle, the height is on the exterior side of. These are the three basic pre-concepts. Now we are going to enter into the theorem, our Thales theorem. That is, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Given that a triangle ABC to BC is DE and it is intersected at DE. So DE is the parallel line to BC which intersects sides AB and AC at D and E respectively. And we are going to prove, right to prove is AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Construction. Now we are going to join B to E and C to D and draw DM perpendicular to AC and EN perpendicular to AB. Proof. Area of triangle ADE. We are going to calculate the area of triangle by making AD as the base. So the area of triangle ADE is half into base AD into height EN. We are going to calculate the area of triangle BDE, that is at the lower left side of this triangle. It is obtuse angle triangle. So the half into base is BD and height is, which is in the external side of this triangle, that is EN. We are going to divide these two areas, that is making it as ratio. So area of triangle is equal to n by half into BD into EN. Half of gets cancelled, EN gets cancelled. So the result is AD by area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE is equal to AD by BD. Let us memorize as 1. Again, we are going to take the same triangle ADE, but we are going to calculate the area. We are going to turn this triangle towards right and make AE as base. Now the area of triangle is half into base AE and the height is DM. Again, we are going to calculate the area of triangle CDE, that is lower right side of this. So an obtuse angle triangle. So the base is half into EC is the base and height is DM, which is in the external side. We are going to make the ratio for these two areas. So the area of ADE by area of CD equal to half into AE into DM by half into EC into DM. Half of it gets cancelled and DM gets cancelled. That is, the result is AE by EC. That means area of triangle ADE by area of triangle CD equal to AE by EC. Let us memorize this as. Now, from this, observe that triangle BDE and triangle CDE are on the DE and between the same parallels BC and DE. So the area of triangle BDE CDE, those areas are same. From this we can write that the area of triangle CDE. From 1 and 2 we can conclude that area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE is equal to AD by BD is equal to AE by EC. This is the final conclusion. Hence, the theorem is